Okay, what we have here is a 4-relay DTMF controller that's being controlled by a Kenwood TK862 UHF receiver. This thing can be used to control just about anything from short distance to through a repeater system. It can be 20-30 miles away. The controller is this Cebek unit, available through Newark. It used to be MCM Electronics. The receive audio just comes off of receive high off the speaker, is interfaced through there, and you have 12 volts in. You could actually use 24 volts if you needed to, but for our application we're using 12 volts in ground. And then on the output of the relays you can have normally open or normally closed, and then your common to control anything that you need to control. Now, in this application we have 3 items that we need to control through this cable that interfaces to the shooter. And so the first 3 relays are just triggered for 1 second, and relay number 4 is triggered for 30 seconds to control a different device on the unit. Now, yes, it's actually controlling a poop shooter out on a pig farm, and so here we'll trigger relay number 1 by just pressing number 1 on the DTMF, and you see it triggers the relay for 1 second. Number 2 triggers the relay for the relay number 2 for 1 second, and likewise pressing 3 on DTMF triggers relay number 3 for 1 second. On number 4, when that's triggered, that relay holds for 30 seconds to control a different device on the shooter. Now, the neat thing about this is that you can program the relays to hold for any period of time that you want by following this very simple program. And there you see that 30 seconds dropped. You literally program the relays through the radio once it's interfaced, and using the keypad on the front of the radio, and there's your programming sheet. See, so I've got relay number 4 up at the top, triggering for 30 seconds, and then down at the bottom we see relay number 1 is programmed for 1 second, relay number 2 for 1 second, and relay number 3 for 1 second. And again, you could use this to control something on a repeater system. You could be controlling something that's 30 miles away, or local. It could be something in your backyard, in your ham shack, whatever you need. But a very handy device, and all tested and ready to go.